Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Scans folder. You have been denied permission to access this folder. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Sec Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK, click Restart. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Uncheck Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK, click Restart. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.